โอเคครับพี่น้องครับและภูเก็ตป๊อปคอร์นนะคะภูเก็ตป๊อปคอร์น the champion of the day tomorrow โอเค and please give a big hand for them Mike Country เอาละครับความน่ารักของน้องแก้วมาพอยังไม่หมดเพียงเท่านี้นะคะและเรายังมีเกมอีกเกมนะคะเกมนี้เราได้รับชมนะคะได้ร่วมสนุกกับเราด้วยนะคะโอเค and next we have the game come to show you ladies and gentlemen please welcome Mr. Tommy Amito Luffy and then Mr. Harry Mr. Harry then we show you a big guy class one dancing and there are 3 coconut tails he will show you inside and nothing and next Mr. Harry take one tail over the leg and move them around very easy guys okay very easy everybody okay please stop and keep smiling wow okay everybody please sing a walk and samba but I don't want you to do that I need one volunteer to join with Mr. Tommy one people please go and let out one people okay and please give him a big hand okay everybody สวัสดีค่ะโอเคมาเจอกันค่ะ You Mr. Do you know how to do it? You take your tail over the leg and move them around it. Okay. Hey, Tommy, don't look. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, first time Mr. Tommy, they will show you where is right. แบบนี้ได้ก็ได้ก็ได้ก็สามใบค่ะ Hey, Mr. Tommy, first time for you. Are you ready? Let's get your time. Mr. Tommy, hey, Tommy. Walking, hey, number 2. Mr. Tommy, Mr. Harry, and another. Wow. Okay, everybody, thank you so one more time for Mr. Tommy, okay? One more time, yes. Okay, everybody, please one thing and him. Where is right? I will are you later. Okay, everybody. Very good. Okay, sir. Okay, please stop and okay, everybody, please tell me where is the die? The die number 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 3, 1, 2, and 3. 1. Okay, 1, 3, 1. Okay, everybody. Hey, Tommy. Please, everybody, please tell me number 1 and number 3. Okay? Okay. Are you ready? Let's capture them. Mr. Tommy, walking, okay, number 3. Tommy, do you know you two what is that? Barbecue tonight for you and for everyone. Okay, everybody, Mr. Tommy is barbecue bird. Okay, everybody, wake up, Tommy. Good boy. Okay, everybody, Mr. Harry, good guy. Okay, Mr. Take one, okay? Okay, good guy. Hey, Tommy, today number 1, not number 3. So how are you? One more time. Okay, everybody, Mr. Tommy, let me tell you one more time, okay? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, last time for Mr. Tommy. Let me show you what is right. Okay, very good. Okay, mari kita. Mari kita. Very good, very good. Okay, everybody. Hey, Tommy. Now time for you. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, everybody needs to come walking, walking, and now do action. Happy birthday, Mr. Tommy. Thank you, Mr. Tommy. Absolutely. Thank you. Okay, for you. Thank you, thank you. And please give him a big hand. Okay, everybody. Okay, and let's still have more birthday come to show you. This is a lot. I will talk this to up the air and all the water. Okay, everybody, please prepare your camera. Ladies and gentlemen, take it up in the air. You see everybody coming in? Yeah! It's very clever that Tommy I was a bit uncomfortable. There is organized the more and more insect boxer and